not too long ago, Zap on Blast over here launched their nodes where over 10,000 have been sold already. Now, why it's not too late to get a node and why you should probably consider getting one as well. In this video, Zap is the community-driven token launch protocol on Blast Layer 2 charged by native yield. What you can do on here is get a node where you have to install the Blast network first on MetaMask, connect it to the site, and then purchase one of these nodes where over 11,000 have been sold so far. Those are exclusive bundles that unlock powerful rewards and unparalleled benefits on the Zap platform, where every single day a certain amount of tokens is paid out to the node operators. Now, I do say operator, but there's nothing to actually do in here. After you purchase a node, it is simply in your dashboard. You don't have to do anything. There's no hardware requirement, so to say. Or we can see as well that I got 196 tokens in here so far, and whenever the token officially launches, we will see how much that is worth. The node does go up in price by $15 for every 200 or so that have been sold. 30,000 are available and 11,000 have been sold, but mostly in Korea for some reason. In Korea and China, most of the marketing has been done so far, but in America and Europe and the rest of the world, there aren't that many videos about Zap Vault yet. So even though it might feel like we are a little late to the party, we are still pretty early. The current price is 1,355 USD, but that is on the Blast network. That means within MetaMask itself, we have to add a Blast as a network first, and then bridge money over in order to buy a vault. I'll show you how to do this, but first a couple more things about Zap and why I think this one is going to go quite well in this upcoming bull run. Zap allows you to launch and invest in the next big project, complete missions to secure allocation and XP, and the first in line for our curated launches coming soon on Zap Labs. When you think about launch pads in general, most of these, if you manage to get into the higher tiers and you get in early, allow you to purchase upcoming projects at a fraction of the price of what they launch with. Which means, even if you simply invest into any of the upcoming projects that have been verified by the team, that they've looked into, that they want to onboard onto their platform, it is almost a guaranteed 2, 3, 4, or even 5x sometimes, in rare cases even a 10x guaranteed from you making your purchase during the launching phase on the launchpad compared to when it's live. That, coupled with the international brand over here, as they even have a Chinese account for that, the continuing growth of Blast as an ecosystem as well, plus the whole idea of people launching their own tokens, their own coin, their own project, while building on Blast is just going to increase over time. That means if you get a node fairly early on, like right now, you can already farm the token, pre-mine it before it blows up in value. I would assume, based on the current price and how many tokens you get per day, that the token is probably going to launch around $2 or so, which would give you a return on investment of about 2 months. And besides those daily Zap incentives, you also have enhanced staking rewards if you do decide to stake the token, additional mystery airdrops. For example, there was a Pudgy Penguin giveaway just a few days ago. In my case, I didn't win. Think of Zap as a multi-purpose token distribution ecosystem built on top of Blast, which means any upcoming projects that want to go onto Blast have them as an option in order to incubate the project and to help them out in various different ways with labs, launch, as well as drops, which enables other projects to have fair airdrops, for example, mission control, and a downside protection. If you want to buy a token, it is fairly simple, as you simply go on this side over here where it says bridge to Blast. You can then either decide to bridge from any of those chains or simply use Ethereum or Arbitrum, for example. You can then bridge over the tokens, have MetaMask installed, and make a purchase for a vault. Overall, this whole process might take a couple minutes, but it is straightforward and not that difficult. Either use the link down below or make sure to use the code on screen, ZHBPWC, for which you get 5% off, I think. There should be 0 gas fees when it comes to making any transaction on Blast, but we will see how it goes for you.